Today we are going to discuss very important three reactions of alcohol. First is dehydration of alcohol along with mechanism. First is dehydration of alcohols with mechanism. Now, what is dehydration of alcohols? You can do this reaction by two methods. One is with the concentrated sulfuric acid. You can do this. Your temperature is 433 to 443 Kelvin temperature. Okay. Now, another method is by Al2O3, aluminium oxide. Here also the temperature will be 633 Kelvin. So, what will happen? First reaction I said you, concentrated sulfuric acid. By applying this one, I will show you first. After that, mechanism, three-step mechanism it is. Three-step mechanism reaction. First step is formation of protonated alcohol. I said you what? Formation of protonated alcohols. Suppose I have taken CH3CH2OH, concentrated sulfuric acid. From there we are actually attacking H plus to the alcohol, and we will ultimately get what? CH3CH2OH2 plus. Next step is what? Removal of H2O. So carbocation will be formed. So we can write formation, carbocation formation. I am showing you CH3CH2OH2 plus. From there water will be removed and we will get the CH3CH2 plus. Third step is deprotonation. Deprotonation. Suppose CH3 means we can write down CH2H, isn't it? And CH2 plus we had. Now if this bond will break like this way, we will get what? CH2 double bond CH2. H plus will be removed. That's why deprotonation. This is the mechanism of the dehydration of alcohol to alkene. Okay. Next reaction I said you, if you have alcohol, this is first one, second one CH3 CH2OH suppose we have taken, and if you are giving Al2O3, temperature is 633 Kelvin, then the product will be again alkene. Okay. And third one is what? Third one is action of, a very important reaction it is, action of heated copper. Action of heated copper. Okay. So suppose CH3CH2OH, copper in 573 Kelvin temperature. If you give, your product will be CH3CHO, aldehyde will be formed. Okay, so if it is primary alcohol, you will get the aldehyde. If it is secondary alcohol, you will get a ketone. Okay, and if it is a tertiary alcohol, you will get an alkene. So these are the very, very important reactions. Next class we will start with the different property of alcohol. Thank you, class.